Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial of lips drawing. We are going to go through the second part of lips drawing, front view side. So the first one you learn how to do with symmetrical oval and two symmetrical circle. This time, quickly, let's go through another version of drawing. So it's very easy. If you don't want to do it with ovals or circles, easily just draw almost a triangular I have to say, in the middle of the line, as you can see here. Then, this part, you have to see the size. I'm gonna go a little further away. It should be a little bigger. However, just bear in mind that every lip's different. So it can be different versions. Sometimes this is smaller, sometimes this is bigger. Everyone has different lips. And then, let's say here. Is it the same? Are they the same now? Yeah. So, we're almost having it. Now the only thing we have to do is to connect them. So this part, do you remember what I mentioned? Don't put a lot of pressure, guys, like this. So now this should be a little curvy, or it can be like this. All right. This part comes when we are doing shading. It's very important to have it. Now, we have our main line here. When they cross each other here, have our curvy line. Then I'm just gonna connect them together like this. Or it can be more curvy. Then the only thing left to do is to connect these lips together. Now I'm just giving different highlights to our lips. Lips is, I can say, lips drawing is the easiest drawing part when it comes to portrait drawing. All right, so what was it? Let's do another version. Let's make it a little both this part a little bigger and this part a little shorter. This is the main structure, right? So always from whole to detail. When it comes to portrait drawing, download my free ebook. It tells you all about the mistakes that you need to avoid, and I have covered literally everything that you need to avoid. If you avoid those things, you're gonna start drawing better. You can download it and see for yourself. You can draw this part darker. I'm just giving different highlights, shades. All right, let's move on. This time, we haven't gone to the 3/4 version yet. I'm gonna cover that later. However, quickly, I'm gonna show you how with this structure, how it's gonna look like. All right, we have this. I'm gonna draw another line. It should be a little, should be curvier. All right, the same way we did, the same way. Just this time, this should be different. Do you remember these parts? They were almost the same, not almost, it has to be the same, otherwise it's gonna look weird. So now let's connect them together. Don't you think it's quite easy? So drawing is, first of all, it's very enjoyable. It should be like a therapy for you guys. It's not just, you should not struggle when you're doing this. You should enjoy doing these things, enjoy drawing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect lines. It just have to come out as what you want to come out. So if this is it, or this comes out, that's enough for now. So I want you to follow it and practice at the same time. The same direction of line drawing. You can see they're all the same direction. Then gonna So I'm just making it darker. So as you can see, layer by layer, I'm giving darkness on the lips. It's not just in one go. And this actually affects all kind of mediums. It's not just pencil, color pencil, pastel, all oil painting. Everything it needs to have layers. Alright, so this is the almost hand-free, I have to say, drawing. What was the main rule? 2 lines. Have this one. This is our main rule. So this one can be here, can be here. All kind of lips versions you can draw with just these 2 small strokes or lines, I have to say curvy lines. So see you in the next tutorial and take care for now.